All right, guys. So we're at it again. This is gonna be electrical. Take two. And the next time y'all see anything me mentioning about electrical, my light should be on. So no further ado, we got Miss Bella greeting us at the door. All right. And this is not rehearsed. This is gonna be live. I'm gonna bring you in. Let me get my electrician, master electrician, turn around, say hi. I got you on camera.
Hi.
All right, now, so I need you to introduce your name. Take time out. I know I'm paying you, but you on camera now. Introduce your name. How long have you been an electrician, and why or how did you come into getting to be an electrician? Let the people know.
Hi, I'm General Bantigi. I'm from Carmen, and I've been an electrician 14 years.
Oh, 10 years?
Yeah.
I didn't know, because you look kind of young. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So how did you get into electrician? You started out as apprentice or what?
First, I am an apprentice with my father, because my father is an electrician also.
Okay.
Then I get a in situ or national certificate from TISDA.
Ah, okay.
For the accreditation of Buhico.
Okay, so kind of like family business. Dad's electrician,
Just
you're
like
electrician.
a family business.
Every family business. So the people want to know, because you have the circuit breakers up now, just explain to them what's going on right here. Because I can't explain it to them.
Okay. So this one is for the manual transfer switch or the MTS. There will be two breakers. One is from the supply, the electric company, and the other breaker is for the what you call that, generator.
Generator, or what I want, that tell the people.
Solar.
Right, say it again.
Oh, this
Right.
is the backup. This is the backup power supply.
For the solar.
Then-
So I can put my battery here, or I can place my battery somewhere else.
Anywhere you cannot, but it's not missing.
Right, okay, but that's where it's going to come from. And then,
I can advise you to make a small power room,
right,
make
yes,
your-
outside.
maybe outside or
Right. Or inside, but we're going to make a
Yeah.
small room. Okay.
to make it beautiful to see.
That's okay, don't be shy. Okay, so take us to the, because you got a lot of guys that do their own electrical work, minor stuff, and then you got electricians in the States. So take us to the electrical box. How many amperes are we talking?
So for now, our initial main breaker is 50 amperes.
50.
But as you said, we want to apply transformer at the Buhico, and we will change this main breaker. And this panel board is 12 branches.
12 branches.
Yeah.
So I got a lot of power that's going to be running through here.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me take you outside for a minute and explain to them for me. There's everything that's going on, right? So I see where they haven't closed it up. So what is this box over here?
So this is the back. Will be the backup source of electricity going inside here through the panel board.
Okay.
So this is a NEMA 3R metallic enclosure.
Okay.
It has a 60 ampere breakers.
And now is that box standard for Philippines? When you're doing a
Yeah,
house,
it's a standard.
you always have that backup box?
Yeah.
Okay, because I haven't seen it on houses. Well, I seen them. Yeah, I seen them on houses like when I was in North Carolina. They're always on the opposite side of the house. But okay, now I'm understanding what that is. And then of course, take me down
And
here.
This one is our grounding area.
So that's okay. So my grounding.
It's not already.
Right. No, I know you're not. You ain't hooked it up. You still got a lot of work to do. So this is a one-stop shop. Everything you need to get to, you made sure it was easy for you to do everything. And guys, I showed you on the last video our power. One of the poles is going to run from
metering
there.
area.
So I was guessing that you was going to bring the power kind of here and down. Is that
No.
right? Or was you going to bring it over there?
My plan is in this.
So
area.
right in this general. So I was close because I shot over here.
But if you want to,
No, you're the expert. Wherever you want is fine with me.
okay. So maybe we'll do up. We'll put the service entrance in this area.
Right.
Then connected to the pool, and our metering area will
Be right over
the
there.
first floor.
Back over there, guys.
Yeah.
All right. So again, thank you for this little introduction and letting the guys know. I'm going to show them your work, everything you've been doing. I'm going to leave you alone. You can go ahead and do what you do again. All right, guys. So I just came back from doing all the permits and all that stuff. This is where we are now. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around of the place. It's back junky again. I cleaned it up on the last videos. But what these guys been doing is they actually been, as you see, they've been installing everything. They've been getting this thing together. So I'm happy. I'm excited. You know, all electricians are out here. How many you got in your crew today? 4?
3.
3? Oh, just 3 guys. Yeah, we got one stowaway. One guy wasn't supposed to be working today, but he come to help out anyway. Hint, hint. It's my friend right here, guys. Yeah. So he's here. This is your what? Your brother, right?
Yeah.
Your brother? Oh, so again, family business, right? Family business. So yeah, everybody's working. All right, let's see if they all started in here. Oh, sorry. All right, nope, they haven't gotten here. But like I said, these guys are all over, and they're doing their thing. And let me take you to the bump out, right? Come here, Miss Bella. Come on, be a part of this. This is a short video. Bella. Oh. So before Miss Bella takes this camera, remember the part to the bathroom on the last video? They cut down the rebar and everything. Dodo is on it. Anybody looking to hire Dodo, Dodo is trying to start his own master carpenter franchise. So he's on it, man. Look at this. He got this thing looking good. No more holes in here. All right, with no further ado, there we go. She got me. So, oh man. Let's see how to cut down here. Now, all right, so come on out here. And again, I mean, these guys, this is the bump out that or the bonus room everybody was talking about. These guys already put it down. If you see, throw that down there, fella. Look at that. Look at that. And that goes, so like I said, they already got it under here. They're doing their thing. And they're coming around. All of this stuff is going on. Oh, public service announcement. I know y'all wondering what this is. We have had 0 accidents on the job site with no hard hat. So the guys put this on here so when they go up and down, they don't hurt themselves. So that's how they self-guard first. But we got some more doggone break. Oh, I didn't see this. So you see this hole here?
What's that?
I got another surprise. Yeah, you said what's that, right? Another surprise. They're gonna do electrical coming out here, so I'm gonna have the electrical. You already know for that. We come over here. We come out to the back porch. Electrical is going here, and if you look up for our night light, so we can have light,
Yeah.
right on the patio or balcony at nighttime. So guys, these guys are doing their thing.
Yeah, we have here also.
Where? Show them. Go ahead, don't be shy. Oh, that's right. We're going to have another one here. Because like I said, we got surprises for you over here all around this. So we got outlets all over the place that these guys are getting ready to do their thing. Anything you got for your audience? Anything you want to say to the people before we go? This is just a short video to bring y'all up to speed.
Stay tuned, guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
All
That's
right.
that's only my line.